as of February 2025, which 6 languages have been newly included in the Lok Sabha's translation services? Correct answer is Bodo, Dogri, Mathili, Manipuri, Urdu, and Sanskrit. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla announced the addition of Bodo, Dogri, Mathili, Manipuri, Sanskrit, and Urdu to the House's translation services, promoting linguistic inclusivity. The initiative aims to expand coverage to all 20 to Schedule 8 languages. In which river was the crocodile catfish discovered for the first time in Assam? A. Brahmaputra River. B. Dibang River. C. Bahini River. D. Subansiri River. Correct answer is Bahini River. The recent identification of the crocodile catfish in the Bahini River, a tributary of Brahmaputra, has sparked ecological concerns in Guwahati. This invasive species poses threat to local fish populations and the overall aquatic ecosystem. The State Fishery Department is actively analyzing samples to determine the extent of the impact. This discovery marks ongoing issues related to invasive species in Assam's waterways. During his visit to France in February 2025, what traditional Indian artwork did Prime Minister Narendra Modi give to French President Emmanuel Macron? Correct answer is Dokra artwork. Prime Minister Narendra Modi presented French President Emmanuel Macron with a meticulously crafted Dokra artwork depicting musicians adorned with studded stonework, highlighting India's rich tribal artistry. Additionally, he gifted an exquisite silver hand-engraved table mirror with floral and peacock motifs to France's First Lady. Dokra, an ancient metal casting tradition from Chhattisgarh, employs the lost wax technique to create intricate brass and copper sculptures. The gifted piece captures traditional musicians in dynamic poses, symbolizing the deep cultural significance of music in tribal life. Lapis lazuli and coral accents enhance its aesthetic appeal, showcasing India's indigenous craftsmanship. What is the name of the world's first vaccine developed for lumpy skin disease, LSD, by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICAR? A. Lumpy Shield. B. Biolumpy Vaccine. C. Agrilumpy Guard. Correct answer is Biolumpy Vaccine. BioVit has received approval from the CDSCO to market Biolump Vaccine, the world's only marker vaccine for lumpy skin disease in cattle and buffaloes. This vaccine is crucial for disease surveillance and eradication, moving India towards self-reliance in veterinary health care and reducing dependency on imported vaccines. Swami Dayanand Saraswati was born on 12 February 1824, in which Indian state? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is Gujarat. Swami Dayanand was born on 12 February 1824 in Tankara, a town located in the western Indian state of Gujarat. Originally named Mula Shankar, he was also known as Dayaram. His education started at the age of 5, and by the age of 8, he had already mastered the Devanagari script, which was used for Sanskrit. He was also given the sacred thread to begin studying the Vedas. At the age of 14, he had already gained knowledge of the Yajurveda and hymns from other Vedas. Which Indian state launched the Har Khet Swasth Khet initiative to boost soil health? A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is Haryana. Haryana's Har Khet Swasth Khet campaign aims to enhance soil health and promote sustainable farming by collecting soil samples from every acre over the next 3 to 4 years. Farmers will receive soil health cards, enabling informed decisions on soil fertility, nutrient management, and crop productivity. At which event did Indian students win the Bronze Award for the Global Best MGov Award 2025? A. G20 Summit. B. World Government Summit, Dubai. C. BRICS Innovation Forum. Correct answer is World Government Summit, Dubai. 3 Indian computer science students from New Delhi won the Bronze Award at the Global Best MGov Award 2025 during the World Government Summit, WGS, in Dubai. The accolade recognizes innovative technological solutions advancing mobile government services and societal progress. The award, along with a cash prize of $10,000, was presented by Mansur bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Vice President of the United Arab Emirates, during the opening day of the summit. Which former Indian cricketer has been appointed as an event ambassador for the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? A. Sachin Tendulkar. B. Rahul Dravid. C. Shikhar Dhawan. Correct answer is Shikhar Dhawan. Former India opener Shikhar Dhawan is named one of the 4 event ambassadors for the ICC Champions Trophy in Pakistan and Dubai, joining Sarfaraz Ahmad, Shane and Tim Southee. Dhawan and the others Wi-Fi write guest columns and attend matches, sharing insights during the tournament held from 19th February to 9th March. Where have Eurasian otters been spotted with the first live documentation in 25 years? A. Dachigam National Park. B. Gurez Valley. C. Hemis National Park. D. So Morari Lake. Correct answer is Gurez Valley. Eurasian otters have been spotted in Gurez Valley, Kashmir, with the first live documentation in 25 years. It was spotted feasting on fish in the Kishanganga River, originating from Krishansar Lake, Ganderbal district, J&K. The river flows northwards through the Tulel and Gurez valleys of Kashmir before entering POK. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.